Hello fellow foodie! Welcome to my channel! For today's recipe, I will be cooking Binan Style Porkchops. I already cleaned and washed the pork chops. Let's make the brining solutions. Combine to the water, the salt, then mix. Then add the freshly ground pepper and the crushed garlic. Add the brining solution to the pork chop and let it soak at least 5 hours or overnight.
The next day.
Using paper towel, wipe the pork chops to remove excess salt from brining. Please do not wash the meat. We don't want to remove the garlicky flavors. I already put the pork chops in the pan. Then add the garlic, the bay leaves, and the stalks of lemongrass. Then add the vinegar, the soy sauce, the fish sauce, the whole peppercorns, and lastly, add the water and then cover and allow to simmer. When starting to boil, set the fire to low heat. Please do not allow to cook the pork chops in full boil or else the pork chops will shrink. After simmering the pork chops, put in a strainer and allow to cool down before frying. I also make a simple garlic rice. Let's fry the pork chop. Be careful with the splatter of the oil. Set your heat from medium to low. Here's the cooked Binan Style Pork Chop. I use the center rib cut, but it is best to use the shoulder chops or pork belly. Another component of Porkchopsilog is a fried egg. Click the link below on how to perfectly cook sunny side up fried egg. Here's my Porkchopsilog a la Binan style. Let me taste! Okay! The egg. Good! If you're living abroad and you miss Tudings or Binan Style Porkchop, try this recipe. Tastes the same! Although they have more umami taste because, I don't know. Yeah, good. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Yummy! Thanks for watching! Bye-bye!